The Stark Spot Welder 120V model 1/8 inch is an excellent choice for a variety of metalworking tasks, offering versatility across multiple applications such as metal manufacturing and automotive making. Its welding tips, made from high-quality steel, ensure precise and durable welds even on thicker materials, contributing to its reliability in demanding projects. With a powerful output current of 5,500 amperes, this welder handles both light and heavy-duty tasks efficiently, making it suitable for professional use. Crafted with high-quality copper, the welding tips are designed for long-lasting performance, minimizing maintenance costs while maintaining excellent weld quality. This spot welder is user-friendly, catering to both beginners and experienced welders, with a straightforward operation that involves simply pulling a lever and applying pressure. Its portable design, featuring a lightweight and compact build with an attached handle, allows for easy transportation to various job sites, enhancing its practicality for on-the-go projects.